we make, how do you make your friends and ਸੰਗਤ better? ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਸੰਗਤ ਨੂੰ ਬੈਟਰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, ਚੰਗਾ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ? ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ 'ਚ ਭੇਜਿਆ ਸੀ, ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਉਸੇ 'ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ 'ਚ ਜਵਾਬ ਦੇ ਦਿਓ ਜੀ, ਕਰਕੇ ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਹੁਤਾ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ 'ਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ.
Okay, a very interesting question. The question is, how can you make your friends and family
ਸੰਗਤ
and sangat around you better? There's only one answer, as far as I can see. You make yourself better. From you, leading by example, then people will see this is how you should be. You can tell people how to be good and you need to do this, you need to do that, but unless you do it yourself, then there's no weight behind those words that you're saying. So you have to lead by example. Guru Sahib has given us the ways that you have to behave, given us a behaviour, given us a routine, given us a discipline. And Guru Granth Sahib Ji will tell you all that discipline. Arata Maryada will tell you all that discipline. So from waking to sleeping and even during sleep, what our thoughts should be, what our actions should be. So you have to be what you want others, you wish others to be. So if you're looking at Sarvata Dapala and Naam Japana Varna Shakana, which we already talked about, and Kirta Karni, all those are your three basic beginnings. There is so much more that you have to learn. There are pages and pages, 1,430 pages that will give you guidance, and that's how you should be. So love everybody with pyar and with nimrata, then you can be what you are, and then people will look at you and think, this is a Sikh, that's who I want to be like. And if you treat everybody with pyar and not with contempt, don't treat people that if they're maybe following a path or beginning to follow a path, and they're not maybe at your level or at a level that you think that you are, then don't treat them with contempt. Treat them with love and guide them with you. Bring them to you. There's I always say that if you're at a certain stage, if you see somebody in front of you, you grab hold of their tail, their coattails, and you run behind them, and you try and catch up. And if somebody is behind you and is trying to reach you, you grab hold of their hand and you take them to a stage where you feel that you're at, and then you can help them and take them further. Don't stand on anybody who's lower than you, and don't don't neglect anybody who's in front of you either. You have to reach for the person in front of you. You need to make yourself better all the time and pull somebody else up to match you if you can. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.